Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zapier to automate lead capture to spreadsheets step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Zapier website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button in the top right corner. Fill in your details to create an account or log into your existing account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Zapier dashboard. On the dashboard, click on the Make a Zap button. This begins the process of creating an automated workflow. You will need to choose a trigger app first. Search for and select the app where your lead data originates, such as a form builder or CRM. Select the specific trigger event that you want to use, like new form submission or new lead. Follow the prompts to connect your account for the selected app. Once connected, follow the instructions to retrieve a sample of your data. Next, click on the Action App section. Search for and select Google Sheets as your action app. Choose the action event, such as Create Spreadsheet Row. Connect your Google Sheets account by following the on-screen instructions. Grant the necessary permissions for Zapier to access your Google Sheets. You will now set up the details of the Google Sheets action. Choose the specific spreadsheet you want to use for lead storage. Select the worksheet within that spreadsheet to capture the data. Map the fields from your trigger app to the columns in your Google Sheets. For example, connect the lead's name, email, and any other relevant information. Click on Test and Review to ensure everything is working correctly. Check the output in your Google Sheets to confirm the data captured. If successful, the sample data should appear in your spreadsheet. Return to Zapier and click on Turn on Zap to activate the automation. Your Zap is now set up and ready to automate lead capture to your spreadsheet. You can always return to modify or add additional steps as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.